Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So can we meet you?
Yes, my name is Joyce Pevon.
Joyce Pavon.
Yes, Pevon Joyce.
Okay, it's a pleasure to have you on our set. So what are you doing here?
I'm shooting a film.
Okay, can you tell us a little about the film? What's the title? The
Yes.
production?
The title of the movie quite is in Tiv language. Yes, but it's titled Kematyo.
Kematyo.
Yes.
Okay.
Kematyo means that is a different argument that is between different people. That is not quite the reality of the thing.
Okay.
Yes, that is what is Kematyo in our language.
So what's the character you're playing on Kematyo?
Yes, I'm playing Goveri.
Govering.
Goveri is the character.
Okay. Can you tell us about the Govering character?
Yes, Goveri is such a wonderful lady in the character and has a wonderful and a lovely husband. But due to some circumstances behind her, friends entering inside the marriage, giving her different ideology because of the husband, making her feel that the husband is a bad person. Otherwise, the man is a good person. Goveri is a good person, but because of the hearing of things from different people, hearing of ideas from different people, different friends, that the husband is this, the husband is a womanizer, and then prompt Goveri to move out of the house. I think that's
Okay. Thank you very much. We believe you're killing the role very well.
I'm trying my best.
Okay.
And
So we understand that you just finished the shoot of Azemshi, a Nollywood production by Edna Jones.
Yes.
So what has been your experience on that production?
Yes, I've just finished that by Edna Jones.
You're working with people you've not worked with before. So what's your experience on this particular production, this Kematyo?
Yes, actually I'm working with people that I've not met before, people I've not seen before, but today I'm glad I'm working with them. So it's a joy because I started like that. Yes, I started like that. So me working with them that just coming up, I don't know them, I've not seen them. I think it's a pleasure and it's an opportunity for them and for me too. So that's that.
Thank you very much. So can you one last word for your fans, for your audience, for your viewers?
For my viewers, I want to appreciate you. I want to say thank you for watching my movies. I want to say I love you. Keep on watching Joyce Pevon. Keep on watching the Fate movies. He's always giving us the best. Thank you. I want to say thank you for the production manager, for the director, for the PA, for the DOP. I want to say thank you for the crew, for the cast. In fact, thank you for the superstars. I've worked with them here. Thank you for this privilege.